Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the largest projects to take place in Jamaica, Harmony Cove. Now this project is a US $1 billion investment in Jamaica. Now this project has been on the table or has been proposed for a very long time, from the days when PJ Patterson was the Prime Minister. But from then until now, the project just was not able to get started. But under the administration of the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, this project has now started. They broke ground on the project recently, and the project is now on the way. A massive development, over 1,000 luxury rooms, a marina. The project is going to be on 2,300 acres of land in Harmony Cove in Trelawney. It's like they're going to be building a new town. A golf course, a marina, entertainment area, 1,000-room hotel. Massive development. But it just started because of the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness. No other Prime Minister or administration was able to get the project started. But this administration was able to do it. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what Andrew Holness did to get this project started. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness cut the ribbon for the US $1 billion Harmony Cove development in Duncan's Trelawney, which promises to be a transformative project for the parish and the wider Jamaica. The large-scale tourism and real estate project, which will span 2,300 acres of land on the northwestern coast of Jamaica between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, is a partnership between Nexus Luxury Collection and the Government of Jamaica. The multi-phase project will include luxury hotels, residential villas, recreational facilities, and entertainment options, including a casino, creating employment for thousands of Jamaicans. Prime Minister Holness, in his keynote address, described the project as revolutionary, noting that Jamaicans will benefit from the investment. He noted that the government's involvement is rooted in rigorous planning, extensive negotiations, and a cautious approach to investment. Projects of this size involve many risks: fiscal, environmental, social. Governments must be cautious, not just looking at the numbers, but also at the long-term implications, he pointed out, underscoring the government's focus on balancing economic growth with responsible fiscal management. He noted that during the negotiations with Nexus, we stayed the course, understanding the risks and working tirelessly to reach an agreement that protects Jamaica's interests. We negotiated carefully to ensure that the government did not give up more than necessary. Jamaicans will benefit significantly from this project, receiving more than what incentives alone would justify, he said. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.